healthy diet and beautiful skin. The diet which we intake and the pollution level in the atmosphere will affecting our facial beauty and damaging the glow on our faces. So some problems like acne, pimples, double chin, dark circles and black spots may occur in both oil skin and dry skin. So if we want to tackle such problems and want a natural glow means, there are some diet plans that can improve your skin health. So for the diet plan, first I would like to talk about the seeds which we ignore in our diets. Seeds like chia seeds are considered to be the healthiest food on the planet. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidant. It acts as the anti-aging treatment and it helps to cure scars and pimples on their faces. How to use it? Soak a spoon of chia seeds in a water and keep it for overnight. By morning they will swell up a little and drink it with the water. And this is the best way of consuming chia seeds. Next seeds are flax seeds, also known as superfood. If we consuming flax seeds, they will help us to moisture our skin. They will help to keep the skin young and glowing. They also work on wrinkles. So chia seeds and flax seeds must be included in our diet. So apart from that, we must also consume sunflower seeds. These seeds are loaded with nutrients. It will be healthy for our skin. So this is all about seeds. Next, dry fruits. Walnut and almonds. Walnut is rich in omega-3 fatty acid. If we want to look young, we must include walnut in our diet. Walnuts are rich in fatty acids which is not produced by our body, so it is important to consume them from the outside source. How to consume walnut means we can take 2 to 4 walnuts in a day. It is better to take 2 walnuts at a time. Walnuts are not only rich in omega-3 fatty acids but also loaded with vitamin C and E and antioxidants. And the next dry fruit is almonds. Almonds are loaded with vitamin E which is very good for our skin. We can take 2 to 4 almonds at a time of a day. We have to be careful if we having it in summer and facing any issues like acne and pimples. You can soak them in water for overnight. So the nature of the almond will changes when they soak in water. After you soak them in water, they tends to swell up a little, which can be consumed after peeling the skin off. In fact, the quality of the almonds improves after being soaked. So they are totally beneficial. Now about water, you must have heard that if we want to have a glowing skin, drink as much water as you can. So we should drink water sip by sip. And drink 1 to 2 glasses of water at once, and for throughout the day 3 to 4 liters of water is efficient. So the motive of drinking water is to protect the moisture of the skin cells and to avoid dehydration, and if possible we should drink coconut water as well. Coconut water is full of nutrients. Make sure not to drink it in one go. Instead of that, drink sip by sip. If you drink sip by sip, it will mix with your saliva to get its benefit. So next one is vegetables. We can have our seasonal vegetables in our diet, and green vegetables are very healthy. Particularly about broccoli, it has antioxidant vitamin C and vitamin E. It protects our skin from the ultraviolet rays which are harmful for our skin. So we must include broccoli in our diet. The next vegetable is carrot. They have highly rich in keratin. So keratin is an antioxidant that converts into vitamin A. It also protects from UV rays and it keeps your skin soft and healthy. And about sweet potato, it is also richer in keratin, and all colorful vegetables are good for skin. Fruits, we can consume all seasonal fruits, and papaya, apple, orange are very much important for glowing and healthy skin. And particularly about dates, dates are rich in tannin which protect our skin from damage. and it cures any inflammation, swelling on the face, and prevents wrinkles, fine lines that comes with the age, and it can also cure skin allergies. We can consume 2 to 4 dates in a day. So I would like to conclude, apart from the diet, a proper sleeping is also important for glowing and the healthy skin. Thank you.